Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports USB OTG or host mode. This matters because the phone must supply or negotiate power and data roles. Once done, inspect the SSD and its enclosure. NVMe in a USB-C enclosure behaves differently than a 2.5 SATA drive. Make sure you have the correct adapter, USB-C to USB-C for modern phones, or a powered USB hub if the SSD draws more power. Plugging now without checks can cause non-detection or damage. You connect the SSD using the chosen adapter or a powered hub when required. Power negotiation is the reason for the hub. Once connected, unlock your phone and watch for the USB file access prompt. Grant permission and select the appropriate storage mode in Files. If the drive uses XFAT or NTFS, many phones support XFAT natively. For NTFS, you might need an app. If the drive still doesn't mount, swap cables, try a different adapter, or enable USB debugging to see device logs. You complete the process by transferring files using the built-in Files app or a third-party file manager for advanced tasks. Observe transfer speeds since USB 2.0 will be slow compared with USB 3.0. If the SSD uses an incompatible file system, back up and format it to XFAT for easy phone and PC access, but do this only when necessary. Key troubleshooting tip: if the drive disappears or errors out, verify the SSD gets enough power, try a powered hub, and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.